For anyone looking to rebuild the SKIL wrench, you're going to remove these 6 screws here. Then you're going to put this in a vise and you're going to turn. And you're going to turn it hard. And you're going to keep turning until it pops loose. And then you're going to take this off. Inside you're going to have this in here. Don't lose those. They're all separate pieces, those 3 little gears. Then this collar comes off. Revealing one more screw, and then you'll be able to open this up and access the battery. There's 2 screws out now. Open this up. You see you got 2 lithium batteries here, 18650s, wired to here. So we're just gonna pop this off. We're gonna get 2 new ones of these. We'll solder them together as needed, and then pop this back on, reuse the hardware. So this is what you got there. You got a motor, got some stuff for the trigger and a CP board under there, and then your batteries, that's it. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and leave a comment if you actually did this. Thanks guys, see ya.